A little extra water in your pool can't hurt, right? If you've had a rainstorm or even several light showers, your pool water chemistry and equipment will need some help. Here are 8 steps to properly drain and clean your pool after it rains. Check it out. First, do you even need to drain the water from your pool after it rains? Well, it depends. If it was a light sprinkling or a short rain shower, then you probably don't need to drain any water from the pool. But test the water and make sure that the water is still balanced. If anything is off, adjust as necessary. On the other hand, if you've had a major storm, you may need to drain out some water from your pool, especially if the skimmers aren't visible above the water line and there's water slopping out onto your pool deck. When the skimmers are covered by a high water line, debris like leaves and twigs can't make their way into the skimmer baskets, and that much extra water added to your pool can actually dilute any chemicals you've added. So, how do you drain and clean your pool after it rains? It's actually pretty simple, but you'll want to do these steps in the right order for maximum efficiency and effectiveness. Step number 1, clean the pool deck. Sweep up any debris from the pool deck and use a garden hose to clean off any dirt. Step number 2, manually remove debris from the pool. Attach a leaf net or a flat skimmer to your telescopic pole and remove all the leaves, twigs, and other debris from the water's surface. If leaves, twigs, and other debris have accumulated inside the skimmer and pump baskets, the filtration system won't work properly when you turn it back on. Use a pool skimmer or your hands to get everything out of the basket. Step number 3, turn on the pump and filter. You want to get the water circulating again to remove all the contaminants that the rain introduced into your pool. Step number 4, brush the pool. Use a good pool brush to move dirt and debris away from your pool steps and ladders. If there's a drain at the bottom of your pool, push the debris towards it. Step number 5, vacuum the pool. If there's not a lot of debris at the bottom of your pool, you can use an automatic pool cleaner and let the robots do the work for you. But if there's a lot of debris, you'll have to manually vacuum the pool. Turn your filter to waste before you start vacuuming. This will keep the debris from entering your filter and will actually drain some of that extra water from your pool. Continue vacuuming until all debris is removed and the water line reaches the halfway point on your skimmer plate. If the water line reaches the desired level, but there's still debris to vacuum, turn on your garden hose and place it in the pool to maintain the water level while you finish cleaning. Real quick before we continue, if you're looking for an easy to follow tutorial that'll answer all your pool questions, go check out our Pool Care Handbook and video course. You'll get over 30 in-depth video lessons and a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything you need to know about pool maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your swimming pool clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of pool, including in-ground, above-ground, and in-text blow-up pools. The best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. So because you're watching this video, you can go to swimuniversity.com/pool and use the promo code video. Step number 6, drain some of the water from your pool. If there's still a lot of water in your pool after vacuuming, you have a couple options. You can continue to vacuum to waste until you've removed enough water from the pool, or you can stop vacuuming, keep the filter turned to waste, connect a backwash hose to your filter's waste port, and turn the pump on. You can pump out all the water until the water line reaches the desired level, which is about the halfway mark on your skimmer. You can also use a sump pump attached to a garden hose. Step number 7, test and balance the water. A lot of rain and debris can affect your pool's water chemistry. Use test strips or a liquid test kit and then balance the water. Now pay special attention to the pH, which may have dropped considerably, especially if the rain itself was acidic. Remember that if the pH was drastically affected, it's likely that the alkalinity was as well. So be sure to test both. And if you have any other questions about water chemistry, be sure to check out our other videos. Next, check the chlorine level. Rain can introduce contaminants to the water, and when the sanitizer starts fighting them off, the amount of available sanitizer, also known as free chlorine, will drop, leaving your pool vulnerable. And then finally, check the calcium and cyanuric acid levels. These may have been diluted by the rain. Soft water can cause problems for your pool and equipment, and low cyanuric acid means the chlorine isn't stabilized, which will affect its performance. Step number 8, consider shocking your pool. It's not absolutely necessary to shock your pool after it rains, but it's also not a bad idea either. Remember to clean up debris and drain the water from the pool first, then balance the water, then shock. And you'll want to shock your pool at dusk or at night so the sun doesn't burn off the chlorine. If there's a pool care topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, please leave a comment to let us know. And hit the like button below if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about pool maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And check out the Pool Care Handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/pool. Don't forget to enter the promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy swimming.